Hi guys, this is Lori Vitali.
No. Okay, what you making?
So today we are making, because my wife is making chili, I'm making chicken.
Well, how you gonna do it?
So I'm going to prepare it with salt, with some pink salt,
Pink salt,
some anise,
anise.
and some garlic salt,
Wow, garlic salt, pink salt.
regular salt,
Oh my god.
and then we're gonna do some peel. We're gonna do peel lemon.
So in this family, we didn't throw things.
No.
So from the skin of the lemon and oranges, we always just peel it if we want to, and then we store it in the ref, and then use it when we do
Our chicken or
anything food.
beef.
All right, so that's
then
how you're
we're
gonna
gonna
squeeze it for the lemon.
Lemon.
Okay, come on over there.
Okay, so we get ready to do our part, and we're gonna do.
So
some
that's
paprika as well.
paprika, and then that's what's that? What is that?
No, I'm not
No,
gonna-
not that one. This one, but how you gonna do it? You gonna steam it?
Then we're gonna bake it.
Oh, whole
We're gonna,
chicken bake. Wow, yummy, yummy, yummy.
we're
So
gonna bake it. So
you're doing what are you doing?
so I'm seasoning it right now.
With
Garlic salt.
garlic salt. All right.
Because
Okay, not that much for that garlic salt because that's salty. Uy. Okay. And then
we're gonna do some anise.
anise. Give me the lid of the stove.
We're gonna add some bay leaves and a couple other ingredients. So this is not done yet.
You're gonna massage it.
I'm gonna massage it.
Okay, pour it there. Give me that.
Actually, I need a.
Oh, anise. Done?
No, not yet.
Okay, you just pour like that, and then you're gonna massage it later on. Okay. And then somewhat paprika. Did you smell the anise? Yeah, pour like that, so you can massage it later. Ooh. Alright. Not in the inside, oy. Okay, this is your call.
Thank you.
That's your call. Oh, he's putting a pink salt. Okay, there you go. Done. Ooh, shucks. Why called pink salt? It's already pink. They colored it pink.
Well, we're just gonna add some love to this.
Okay.
When it comes to cooking, I try my best.
Okay, that's it na. Cause you put another salt in the other one.
And then,
Uy. Another salt?
Mm-hmm.
Not that much of salt.
That's how I did it with the other chicken.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
That's my
so
secret.
it's already proven pala.
You just
Okay.
don't know it because I don't tell you.
Okay, hold on.
So,
What's next? What is that?
this is bay leaves.
Bay leaves. Wow. And then
We're gonna do some oregano.
that's it.
Some sage.
Give me. Assistant na. What's that?
Sage.
Sage. Okay. And then
Excuse me, what?
you want me to put the
So we're gonna do some oregano. I think what I'm gonna.
put everything first before you massage.
I'm trying, but I have to put it inside too.
And then
Some rosemary.
Uy! Rosemary.
This is what I did for you the last time.
Wow. Okay. That's it.
And then we're gonna do some
No.
basil.
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 Basil. Like that. Give me. Me. I will help you. Okay. Alright.
Okay.
That's it now, eh?
Some parsley.
Parsley. And then, give me the parsley. Finish naman.
And then some thyme.
Time.
Some thyme.
Na-over na naron. And then, you're gonna put the orange.
No, not done yet.
My goodness.
Some
Put the thing.
herbs of Provence.
What? Herbs.
Herbs.
Because that's in outside na, daddy. Okay, ma-over naman dyan eh.
And then some red pepper.
Uy!
That's what I did the last time.
Don't you know that there is a spice that you cannot mix to the other spice?
No,
Huh?
no, I don't know. And then celery salt.
Another salt? 'Cause that's in outside na, daddy.
That's what I did the last time.
Okay.
And then some garlic.
Another salt? Oh my God! How many salt is in there?
Okay, and then one more thing. This will be the last thing. This will be
Chimichurri.
chimichurri.
Seasoning. Everything is in there now. Oh my God! All the herbs. Plus the orange.
Yes.
Okay, game na, game na, game na.
Okay, so now we're gonna do
Squeeze the
lime. So to add an additional a little
Love.
bit of love to the food. So we want to
Oi, 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 squeeze it. You cannot do that.
we want to make sure that they're at the end we're gonna have
You know that lemon is really big, by you need to use it and squeeze it. Agay, kabuang na sad. Yeah, I said squeeze it. There you go.
okay. So
Another one. Mangita mo dyan siya samok, ay. Agay, mangita dyan siya kuan, ay. Ay, jugulo. Enough na.
okay. And then we're gonna do some orange.
Oh my God. So what do you call that one? Orange lemon chicken bake?
Yes.
Orange chicken lemon bake. Oh my Lord gracious. A lot of love. There you go. Uy. Okay.
So now
We will put the skin.
no, we're gonna saute this first.
Saute?
Well, my hands.
Massage, massage, not
Massage.
saute. No, this one too. Let that
Yeah,
one massage.
You will get there. Hold on. Do you trust me?
I trust you. Ooh, that's why it says orange. Yeah, yeah, you can put that inside, Baba.
That was my plan.
Wow, says plan ko na. Okay. This one, oh, you want me to put
Go
everything?
ahead. There you go.
With some love.
And then when we get ready to
Bake it
bake it,
later on.
we have
That's it, right? Wow. So, what we gonna do? We're gonna wait for it, marinate it for how long?
about an hour.
An hour. Okay.
And then
And we will see what's gonna happen later.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're back with our chicken.
Oh, hi.
My husband is putting aluminum foil in his baking pan, and now
we're gonna put our chicken,
Our marinated chicken
our marinated chicken,
in. Wow.
and then what I'm gonna do.
Spread it there. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Uy. Pour it, pour it. Wow. Alright, hallelujah.
There we go.
So the oven is heat for 400.
Well, it's recommended for 350, but I chose
350. So he chose 400.
400.
And then let's see what's gonna happen later after this. Okay. Now we're putting the chicken over there. It's already hot. And then how many hours?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. So let's have time it. Hour 30 minutes. Like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there you go. So our chicken is baked. There you go.
Oh,
So we're gonna get it out.
yep.
Where are you gonna put it?
I think it's well cooked already.
Yep. Did you
Ooh.
cancel it?
Ooh, you can feel
Again.
it.
Ooh. This is the chicken. Chicken. Uy. Just taste it. That's fine. Uy. Good luck. Good, get that one. Let's see this one. Let's taste this. Woo! Oh,
Hot.
hot. Very good. Taste that. What's the taste?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
You don't taste the salt, right?
No, it's true.
Try that
So that's why this is how I trust my husband when he makes something. Skin. Yummy. That is it. So what can you say?
Very good.
Subscribe
Like
and share.
and share.
Thank you for watching, guys. So enjoy our
Chicken.
chicken, grilled chicken, lemon orange grilled baked chicken though. All right, yummy. Bye everybody.